Hello, this is Ask Us at Minnesota State. There may come a time as a student that you will need to find a course outside of your home college. So today we are going to learn how to use the System-Wide Course Search option available in eServices and on the Minnesota State website at minnState.edu. Let's say you are a college student earning your associate's degree. During a discussion with your program advisor, you found out that you need to take an Introduction to Speech course this summer to fulfill your general education requirements and graduate on time. You have searched for this course at your home college, but it is not offered this coming summer. So you will need to do a Minnesota State system-wide course search to see if you can take this class through another college, and perhaps online. After logging into eServices or visiting Minnesota State, under Programs and Online Learning, you can go to Programs and Courses and search courses. If you're in eServices at your dashboard, you would click on Courses and Registration on the menu at the left-hand side of the page. Then you would click Search for a course, also in the menu on the left-hand side of the page or on the main menu in the middle of the page. In the first field, instead of your home college, go all the way to the top of the list and choose System-Wide. By choosing this option, your search results will include all courses offered by 37 state colleges and universities. I am going to change this to Summer 2019. I'm going to verify that the delivery method is set to my preference of completely online. You can update that delivery method based on your own personal preferences. You should expand the advanced search. By default, it's collapsed, but expand it and type in a keyword. I have already typed speech into this box, and let's choose search. Wow, you're in luck. There are many speech courses available this summer. Let's look into this public speaking course. By clicking on the icon in the location column, you would see the home college or a room number. That should also be in the description by clicking on the title from the main list. This course is offered by Lake Superior College. Perfect. There's also other pertinent information on this page that you should review, such as course dates, seat availability, add drop-withdraw dates, as well as tuition and fees, proctored test requirements, and prerequisites. All of that is helpful information. Another final recommendation is to print out this course and verify with your program faculty that it will indeed transfer back to your home college and meet your program and local requirements for graduation. To take this course, if you're in eServices, you can add this directly to your wish list by clicking the box. This course is currently on my own wish list. To register, I would go on the left to Courses and Registration. Next, I would click on Review My Plan, and I would proceed to register for the course. If you have any questions, please ask us at minnesota.state.edu, where a team of success coaches are ready and willing to assist you 7 days a week. Best of luck in your academic pursuits.